The Brainerd Lake Salvation Army lent a helping hand to feed hungry families this Thanksgiving. The volunteers and staff have been boxing up the goods and sending them out by the truckload. The Salvation Army will need to reload after Thanksgiving. The group plans to feed 800 families for Christmas. The Salvation Army goes much further than simply providing food.
People come in and they have to make an appointment to see our social services coordinator or our food shelf coordinator, and we sit down, we assess what's needed for families, and then we try to make our best effort to provide those needs and fulfill what people are looking for.
Large contributions from local grocery stores and school food drives bolstered the effort.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.